We can't even see the little stupid writing them. Hello, may I hide from hello? I'm sleeping. Morning. Hello. I can't see the something properly. Yes. Drop us. Yeah, I'm. Louis! Mm. Yeah, I love Carl doing him. Carl out doing him and I'm sleep enough time. Got much. Yeah. Alright, what's up? What go on? You don't miss me. You look a bumbo, you don't miss me. Tell the truth, I got love and tell me son. You don't miss. You nice, crazy, get a queen. You don't miss me? Speak the truth or forever hold your mouth. Do you miss me or not? Hmm? Well, me miss you, no little bumbo, me miss you, that's why I come here and talk to you. What? Oh, yes, we thank the Lord for every flower, for every power. Bird that sings, fish that swims. R.I.P. to Rara. Remember the 19th of October, which is this coming Sunday, is going to be my daughter 1 year memorial. She passed away the 6th of October, but Papa said I keep it the 9th. And try him I keep it. Is the word shut up Queenie. I wanted it to keep on the 6th, but I just make him go and have him here with him firstborn. You get me? Let me big up yourself, my baby father. Yes, Miss Kitty, blessed love to you. Big up all the black of them where I support the thing with the Queen, where appreciate me. Big up all of the nice people them who appreciate the song. I see that you lot appreciate the song, and that's a fact. I'm not being flattered, bigoted, or I'm not fooling myself. Anybody who will listen to the song appreciate the song because you know the struggle. And for all the little stupid hungry belly people that might chat shit, if you're not hungry, go and cook a pot of fucking porridge. And you see that porridge, it's gonna open up your appetite, make you get hungrier. So when you get hungrier, you gotta remember Queenie said, for your belly to full up now, you gotta turn some cornmeal. So you get some coconut milk, put on one pot with some water, you make the water boil up, you season up the water, the pot. You put scallion, thyme, pepper, little black pepper, little pinch of all-purpose. And you season it up, make it bubble like a chicken gravy. And then it start boiling, throw the coconut milk in it now because you cannot make the coconut milk stay in it too long because it's gonna float over. So you cook up the seasoning then, and then you throw that in there, and then after you throw that in there and it start bubble like a chicken gravy now, you get the fork and then you put the cornmeal into the boiling bubble pot of seasoned water. Remember to put salt and a little butter as well. And then after you do that now, you put the cornmeal into the pot and you start stir it with the fork. Stir, 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 stir. Yes, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. And so when that fork cook now, you make it steam for 10-15 minutes after you stir it. You wad your bumbo with it. And then after you full your caca clot with it, you drink 1 cup of sugar water, 1 mug of sugar water. And then after you drink the mug of sugar water, you drink 1 mug of water, and then you take the wrath every self run around the house 10 times. You don't remember me? I love Queen. Hey, better because better me love you. Better by the first of December, me by the second. So this is, me now make us see my ear stand too fast. So ear better than a while ago now. Better say, Queenie, when you hide underneath the bush and the people they must say, yeah, get my them fooly. And I'm like, better understand me have to love you so. Because calm collected me. Me just crazy and nice they're excited. But none of blood clot, no collective more than me. Any amount of collective this, have, me have fear about. I know what see me better and say. Better anyway, I never love you. Because better than Miss Kitty right now. Two girl power me I bring right now. Miss Kitty are better. Better and say. Queenie, you sit down and laugh after yourself. It's true to you know, sometimes you hear chat some shit. You just really make me laugh. I have to just laugh after that. When me hear better and say to them, I say, oh God. I love Queenie. Queenie big and fool. In our own world and our own element. I don't give a fuck with the world and them mama. Look how my face juicy and nice. Don't you can see the difference with me in August and July. July was a liar month. July a lie like July. July me not have nothing to do with you. All if you are going for free July, I don't want to know you. July you treat me body, you know. You stole my husband and bring him left, right, and center 80 days around the fucking world and back. You fucking liar, July. July, I will never, ever forget what you done to me. Who remember my face in that July? It look like a skull dog. Although me this still sexy at. I saw me get them hot talk there when me say, me's a hot girl. Never a flap girl, cause me's that girl. Something, I not even remember when me did say, but it sound good the bubble clock. A man stress give me them talk there, you know. Cause me say July thief, liar, July. July, you lie, 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 July, you lie, July, you lie, July, you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie, July. You say me see a thief, my husband. And then I say, August come. London birthday that tonight. I'm going to get back my husband. I say, oh, glad. You know, July was lion month. I not lie, though. I not lie. I love my life. When I see that July, hey, July, I not lie, July. You do my body, you know. I said to them, watch the Green Bush video. When they crap out the part with my eye, that's my shit. I said, Jesus Christ. So I really did think, I don't think I go in a rubbish pan. I never know if I go for Grammy after that on a fucking jackass. Me I don't jackass. I want my husband in there. Me I don't jackass. No, see my husband pass by. Just tell him to me look for him now, please, and thanks. I just come in from here, just have my hide my ear from one. I just miss it. I said, I talk to my son. I don't go like, I don't want to show up for me. I'll do what's that? I don't know pay the light bill. Me bumble clock. I don't know pay the light bill. Why not in the dark? Ta-da! Queenie pay the light bill. Queenie pay the light bill. Hail to chariot. I look for my husband. All we do have husband for the searcher is back. Dwayne! Mr. Scarlett? How are you, sir? How are you getting on? You know, I'm nothing for me. But if I'm alive, you know. Where they do it? Oh, that will have me hear attack, sir. What is this? Father God, do me try. Never take my things with laugh. After I come look for you, that you do me. I don't know what me do. I'm always getting in trouble though. Why though, Queenie? Oh, do whatever. Give me the something you have for me. So what am I doing, baby? Queenie, stop laugh. Queenie gets... What made the man just say, oh, here's a good road. Not even 10 minutes ago. How long me leave you out here doing? No, let me go back to my room. This big. Queenie, your ship tree dead for you just man. Queenie, for your coat blooded. Your ship tree dead. No, sir. I don't take back that shame I kill me something. No. Me don't have nothing. Me not even know the S name. Wait. No, me need to laugh by myself. No one better. My God. No one better tell me to let some laugh after myself. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna always say, sure, I bring this great. But I just said to her, say, all who don't have husband, say, call a bat. Instead of husband, give me a look. What has happened there? Can you not tell? Because I don't have a clue, the man just said. I said, do what you have for me? What you have for me? So, like I said, see, there's something, I'm just giving. Chat to me back, chat to me back. Did that just happen though? I'm tired of me. I told tired of each other. We're supposed to tired of each other, which is right. Anything happen to one will happen to the other because we're a married couple. So do it tired of me, I'm tired of him too. So with 18 camera load can tired. Tired make for the whole of us. It's tired for tired. Yeah, tell a friend do it, so I'm tired of him too. But why am I come to go trouble? You know what happened? But why am I come back to trouble? But me never say nothing. I wonder if you read up on the live. When did you see him on the live? Me don't know. Too much in our man brains, too much in everybody brains. Everybody has something in their brains. So they don't try to trick me and style out to nothing. Like you don't want to tell me some worse or annoying more than anybody else. The whole of us annoying. And the whole of us have too much into our brains whenever we want to take too much into our brains. Do not try to trick me. I don't know nothing about me and my husband. Shut the fuck up. Chop him, chop him back. No. I don't want to chop him. Who that near London? Something on the London guys. London, oh. Hey, I don't know why I'm going to come back out there and chop it do it. All who I'm going to chop him put up on the hand. Tell up what happened. Tell up. That's why them say no. Plan for yourself, love yourself, prepare it, and proud of yourself. Because see, if you sit down and wait for Queenie for plan, somebody said no. Who am I going to trouble him? Yes. You see, if you wait for Queenie for make plans, see it not going to happen. No, me not my room, no, lie down there so quiet, come, no, so me I come sharp with husband, the man shoot me. Why though? Why, what we do? Don't trouble him. Trouble him. Morning, Queenie. It's morning. It's not all the time. You know, nobody comes me now. Yes, Queenie, trouble him. Yes. Cause money if I wish by you did the sexy eyes. Money if I see some cock up in your auntie. See your auntie the pan wall. A long time my mother at girl you know. Money if I see some cock up in your auntie house. Don't we annoyed when we ready. Everybody annoyed. Then when we ready, we not tell them and him. So my husband I will love each other. I will rampy. Something keeps like a ramp with me now. Hey, let me tell you the nice relationship I have with Dewey. Man, him very playful. Me is a big child, I know him is a little child. So big plus little child, that's equal child. Afraid me I go there look now. Big chest. Shh. You don't see him on the live. Anything me get, when I get it too. If him shame me, when I get shame. If him run me, when I get run. If him love me, when I get love. So this is between me and all of us. So I think I'm alone a ras take it. Afraid. Stop. I don't want we come but if it's come lick me. We had a queen. Why? When the seven of bars, see that I don't laugh for cry too. And I like Frank, so what is doing? Queenie, shut up, no man. Queenie, be yourself, but I'll play with you. Stop laugh. I'm gonna wipe my face. Weird. So me just get up big and bold and bad. May I count to 10. May I take deep breath and may I wipe my face and may I show the own name Queenie. Anything we go to get me I take. So if you don't want to come with me, I'm not come on for live. Alright. I'm ready after 3. 3 I'm a lucky number. Wish me luck, okay? 1, 2, 3. And him run me. And him run me. And him give me the attitude. Because I'm not going to run me. And him give me the attitude. Do what? Do it? Are we friends though, fam? Huh? Oh, I am the life. That makes more sense. Do we say about all an attack? No, but need a spliff. What am I spliff then? Me have it? Hey, that's sweet, man. That make more sense. Do the same on the live, not talk. Why? Fuck on. Me tell her to say fuck up. Come like me know say oh no. Come like me know say oh no him a go shoot it. I never tell her to say anything me get. Me never tell her say anything me get and I go get some. Tell do it so we say for big him up. Do Do the right crazy themselves for big you up. Do themselves, I must come chill with you. It's how we tell that we one another. We are chill all day, all night. We go out Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We go out all day today. We just come back. We've been chilling. Do them say me if we go chill. The man said, him and honey don't talk. Do it! Shh. Do it. Oh God, poor me. Oh, this my grandmother said my hobby. Hmm? My business is do it. I don't know, I'm not carrying. Where's my lighter now though from? I know I got trouble in it. Do it good. Do it. Dwayne, can I have the lighter, please? Eh?
Yeah.
You left it in that car? Poor man. I don't care, lend me a lighter. You know, sir. Let me tell you about phone itself now. My mother do her matches. Let me show you my mother matches that big. See them big box of matches there? The man said, man, the life not talk. What a state. Eh? Him always a trouble morale crazy them. Why? So shoot him phone. Well, me shoot him phone many times, so that is that. So what? Me look good at Jamaica eat. Me just fat and juicy, so. Hello? Man, if I tired the man tired where I'm saying, you might want to talk, but me I want to talk. I want to do not tell BJ son to smash him up on the veranda, yeah? Do not bring my name to my mother. My mom know exactly who I am and how I am. Okay? So I'm going to try surprise her. Shh. Queenie, you're too bad. Girl, you're too bad. Who want to pull? So what would you just say about big big artist Queenie? I'm telling you now. Grab her. Where? Not dead, not dashing. Where is mom? Mommy go to bed every night, 9 o'clock, maybe 10 the latest. You know them routines that with them elder they have. DJ them at a long time, big man. You understand me? Yeah, you see them long time, big man, them have them routine where them maintained. Yeah. She not change, she nothing. And I like me, we go for go switch and get hotter. Me them long time, 52 years. Me them new time, 52 years. I make 50 gal here, gal. See what it is to be 50. Back in for them days, 50 I walk with stick and hole and retire. No, girl. Them things there's different time. Not when, look how my face pretty. Who saw my face? Oh, Queenie, I love you. I agree with you. It dies to see. Oh, near London. London, what? Man, a London vice. I can't strain for reading something. I'm kind of thief my eyeglass. I'm not buy back no more. I don't need to chump up like a collection and buy back my eyeglass. It's truth. Because The last morning when I have it, when I carry to go work. Remember my last one, I go back and pay £50. I know I'm too real crazy, them know what I talk about. I'm going to go back and pay £50 and get back a new one on the TV through the phone. Fuck that. What V6? Lord, girl, awake. By the way, what time is Jamaica now? In the night. Oh, yeah, on the way, I ain't got a minute to go to bed. We have video shoot tomorrow. Me and MY Dowey, I do video shoot tomorrow. DJ Style or what? Yeah, you know the song of me and MY Dowey, but hey, my son is not proud of me yet, you know. I'm going to show no blood clot, something who name me. But when I come put green bush, I hide blood clot, but me I get mad. I don't favor dog. I want class. I don't favor monkey bumbo. But who know, nice, good me with my crazy, sexy, nice self. I'm mad over myself. So one name mad. Mount mad, not body mad. So now with the little bush on the crap out. When I stay so, and I hide behind it. I really care my name gone to John Public and tell John Public. Today me hear someone go on and about it and I'm like, really? Come on, don't do the nice, lovely queen that I'm just awful and disgusting and vulgar and horrible. Is who that?
I want you to wake up, mama. That's I want you to do your tweet.
Hey, you know something that's very annoying and him don't know. You gotta wake up BJ, not me. I want me that talk about him just come cut me. I remember when we that chat said, I remember my freestyle and I just take it as it come. I don't remember a thing. Leave Mariah crazy them and leave them, but before them go to bed. Are you forgot your bed? Listen, anytime alone, I just call on my royal crazies and they appear. Ha ha. But just go so.
Biggest bumbo in a lifetime, you know that.
To do it here.
Blood clot that you set upside the point. You feel like sure. Stop shooting.
What's you actually? One feel like a lazy connect them. You connect them lazy like why? One of them have to run come over here. Go ahead. You don't even post nothing with you. Go ahead, you don't even post nothing. Fuck off. The whole of female royal connect them have to come over to come itch up. Cause when say on the name Royal Connect, on connect boring, ha ha ha. Once in a blue moon do a post or even do something. Me, if you post something 2 days, 3 days, mess up, oh God, they miss me. May I give them a little attention. Do we don't remember nothing? Ha ha, do we do not remember ono, yeah? Do we Royal Connect them ono go go with your boring connect. Do it. Leave me alone. Come on. I don't want to put up on the line. I'm tired. Hey, I love Queenie. Remember one day I take the life for 23 hours outside 24. I swear. I just want to chat and laugh. It sounded nice, you know, me just bubbly and nice. Well, when them trouble me to pussy clad, do we want it? He can have it when he want it. He can have it if he want it. It is his. It is his. Tell up what man, my car go do video shoot, girl. Lord. Tell up, let me see. And when may I see you? Tell up you need to come over my phone. And you need to come over your phone. Me now make them people my video. My face pretty. Oh, me look good, sir. No, me not lie, me look good. And no matter what life I go out, all in the eyelashes, ups, I do Ilan Gully ride and I have ups and downs, me still hot. No, me like my skin. What you not understand, yeah? You see stress, yeah, it show up in many ways. So everybody have to study them body in their own way. Like when I go to the massage with the lady, she said to me, say, my left side, she can't feel the tension from my left side by massaging me. Can't feel the stress by your left side. So even getting massage can be a therapy for stress. Stress comes in many ways. No, me just have flow and just hot. Yeah, I'm pretty for truth, my skin nice. It's my skin, I'm constantly telling them I didn't burn and I do a bleaching cream. You hear that? So I stop chat about my chrome skin, I got chrome. And I say, what am my skin? Am my skin? This look like nothing to add to it or nothing to rub down this. And our skin need that? Are you like skin stupid? Are you being skin silly then? Are you being skin foolish? It's my skin, the whole of it. No add, no take off. Alright, she like them when I always hide. You see them veiny lump, yeah? And them I can't stand them. See them there? Watch it, you know when purge lump up? Call me purge, you know, cookie, call me purge and it lump up, see it, yeah? But you can't see my skin that. Pretty skin. Nice skin. Real skin. Veiny skin. But it's my skin. So you say, okay. Tori come to bump. Me and her cuss me all a while about my stocking. I say if me not hot in a stocking. So when the woman them are going working at them stocking, them not hot in it. And the next thing I'm going to ask you know. When you have on the long jeans pants, so you not hot and no pussy not stood up in the long jeans pants and the big long frock them. So work out the difference with the little thin stocking. Because when people are bash people, when you bash I make blood clot sense. Bash and bash good. Me on a reason now. Every day I have around 2 million of them stocking all different color, shape and style. Because I'm a stocking freak. And plus I'm a elder. I'm half a century. R.I.P. Euro. And the fact that I'm half a century, regardless of my sexy, loud, or vulgar, awful, there's a certain standard where I still have to draw a line in it. So within myself, I don't like left my skin out because I'm wild. And you see, because I'm wild, the stocking help back up enough. So you see my fat goodie down there where I don't want to drop out when I go some. And I have on this, it makes sense to me. I just not care who it makes sense to. I'm not bothered. But the reason why I'm explaining myself and exaggerating about my stocking is because you lot explain about it every time and exaggerate. So the fact that it's my stocking, my dressing, I will address it. Now, this is one of my stocking. I've got varicose veins. Wearing the stocking helped to keep the vein calm. That's one thing. Another thing, it helped me to feel more comfortable as a senior citizen. A sexy senior citizen that just signed her age paper and wants to be on top of the world. So I toned down the sexiness with my stocking. Now, ladies and gentlemen, me have on this at daytime. See that? All water you can put through it. Look how it thin. Oh no, so sad, illiterate and dark. That's you that talk. Look on this, Evan. This hotter than the stocking. This I give me mal gripe and flux to complain. This. If me have one full-fledged of this on the whole of my body, would I feel more relaxed. So me hear them and say, what you not stacking with our old man self? The Jamaican artist shall do stacking here, me and myself now. Bad man and bad by the Queenie tree look good. Me chat on the back. But I never know. Me just chat on the back and said Queenie tree look good and bad man. Because it don't make any sense. Most of the people that will go work, we're stacking to work. If I want to take it for every day to do ads, jump around, if me I go on stage, maybe I'm stacking. What's the difference with it? With me wearing it as a person and as someone else wearing it. It's like me wearing a dress because my boobs are big. I get one little titty girl and put her beside me. You know, so them ask me sell pussy through my titty them big. So come I have that oochie look there. So you see that kind of look there when you listen to the stage, so you know, watch her guy with her back. I can't sell pussy. I wonder if I could have sell pussy. What if you said glad the man that's good to be anything. But doing no sad joke, but Lord, me never remember well. I hope when I see you on the live. When I come to my bed there, go hug up my husband. Do you say my Mariah crazy never agree? What an outside on this. I think that's for liberties, you know. How dare you, husband? Why are you interfering with my... But enough time, I'm not trouble him still, you know. I remember saying me the back and belly rat when me ready, you know. Don't fuck him, love. but always, R.I.P. to my two brother Boga and Scary. Remember when we used to grow up in Cherry together, you know. Oh God bless my brother them, you know. I miss him, man. Oh God. When I see remember when I got talk about them say. Oh, back at belly rat. I used to watch a slave show them how them beat up the people them, you know. Them time that whenever I used to have TV yet, you know, we used to got people I go watch TV, you know, before we get TV. And I used to put some plastic, some pretty yellow plastic over TV to make it look like a colored TV. That time a black and white TV, you know. Anyway, I'm used to see them beat up the people them and blackmail the people them and I say, if it had me did in that show they say, I wouldn't make them blackmail me. But I fight out them dirty blood clot and tell everybody say them a blackmail me. I know myself I'm a little bit, you know. None of blood clot when you know when you know type yourself. Think when I can blackmail me and trick me and write and tell me say, oh, do it don't want you, do it not love you, do it alone not put. I am who I am. Do it cannot be me, Queenie. That's why I'm the fucking queen. Anything me touch a goal. So why not tell me, say me if you still wait and do for both over me and put me on them page and through doing it, fuck off. When I do it, leave me alone. I don't care. I am who I am. You understand me? I am just a loving person. Nobody around me, me give them attention until if the attention want to go and pause or it want to end, it's going to end. But really of a fact, just love the queen and know some nice I'm up on the scene. You understand me? I am on the scene appreciating such shit. Why no why every time he post do for post me back? Well, it doesn't fucking matter. My husband, I'm a man. Man you do a woman do. You understand me? Yeah. You know, understand the drift where I go and stop force the thing I make problem. Make up on the stage I kiss him, I say him no want to kiss me. So fucking one. Me want to kiss him, say if him no want to kiss me kiss him, we're married. Look up mosquito alone. It's not everybody nothing and love you and do with me. I go do. I'm the holy queen. Why no want my husband to be like me? That don't make no sense. Then him would be do it. Me not lie, me look sweet tonight, me don't know why. I want I fool me. I don't love me no man. I fool myself on the street too. I'm not reading nothing when I write say, you know. Oh, so if you not chat me, you not do a good fucking job. Come, me not looking, me not even can see good. Me not like Jamaica make me hype. Me not even know, me just hype only for something, just the song, me, my husband, my daughter, 1 year anniversary will come. Oh, a girl for come to Jamaica that smoke with matches. Who care who I smoke with? So what about? You know, book me, I make me do dub. Listen now, you know, for book me for the dub, birthday party, stage show, wedding, picnic party. Can't remember I have a little picnic song. Remember me is a big fucking child, so at the end of a good day, and I put me to use and just Queenie, calm down. Shut the fuck up with the bag of unnecessary fucking typing now, yeah? This is another different level of shit, yeah? The music thing step up to the next level. I'm looking at some Hollywood shit, you understand me, blood? So you're typing a lot of shit, yeah? There's gonna come a time, yeah? Mr. Nicki Minaj earlier on, Bumper Clark, Nicki called to me over our lives today. Nicki soon be my neighbor. Got it, Nicki, got it, Nicki, got it. That was really nice, though. I went on her live. I be say, Queenie have girl power. And then we see some people I type, I say, Queenie over yourself. I say, my real crazy, them no easy, them no like me, Suki Waba. When me look, me see all Tyler over there, Tyler, I saw you, I did spot you. And I said, Bumble Clark, I remember me don't really go upon people live, you know, I always in my own element. I'm bad-minded to myself. Truth, I watch my own self over. Do it. That's how do it. Do it, are you haunted? Anyway, back to the reason though. I'm going to talk to my Queenie, I can't chat. Anyway, how much order did they talk to me? 400 I had somebody? Alright, listen now. Big man reason now. You know, invest on happiness into me. That's a fact. Invest on happiness into me, Queenie. Why? Because I have natural energy. You can't buy it, you can't pay for it, you can't put it on layaway, and I have to take it as it comes. Like last night, I talked to somebody about the shame. And I said, I never ever realized that too shame I have. When I say shame I kill me, and then I say shame, Queenie, me shame again. Because I just a cuss and just express myself, I want to find value in it. So that's why my son can invest in a happiness into me, if that makes sense. I don't know if it makes sense to you. You understand what I just said to you? Alright, basically, yeah, one little girl come meet me yesterday, and she said she go uni, she come from Clarendon, but for stay near, if go to her uni, she stay here in Portmore. She said when the studying get to her head, she put her book down and watch me, and I make her happy. So you see that happiness I bring to her, she can go back and study. You said my ugly little girl, you know what she said? You want me to explain? I so explain. Well, my ugly little girl, you know, her auntie messaged my mama and said, she said she not bathe tonight because Queenie hug her. So let me explain now. Basically what I'm saying, yeah? God made me special from a little bit. I know it. Now I'm bigger, like I study myself in it. I will never change. I will forever be this bubbly person where God made me. For you take me as a souvenir, because remember this priceless, you know, my voice, my action, my spirit is priceless. So what I basically I say, the time when I did it discriminate me, say Queenie pray for me, and I say God cover them right now, Lord, from the crown of them head to the sole of them feet. As I speak to you now, Lord, I ask you to reach down and give us strength. Just little things like that. It might be glamorous, but it's natural. You understand me? So when you listen to it, I say, Queenie, it's easy though. So it make you happy, it make you laugh. So that's why my son can invest in the happiness in me. Like the man will say, Queenie, may I go through the worst thing? I just get up, sing for me upon my DM. Free. Me just go in on my DM and pick it. Me don't know say I go through problem and just start fucking sing. Hey man, say your cocky clean, say your cocky act. Say just a little craziness. Say keep him happy, say him keep that vice note. So when me I say to you now, you have to invest in me. You can do better than I set a bomber hole. And it's true, because true, I come lick out in the battle hole and tell them some hungry and white squall that tear off the left side. I don't really pay me much mind, but really for a fact, I worked so hard. They took away my page last year. Not that I survive, but I can do better. Them take on my page last year with 240,000K. Now I have 211,000K. You know what? You know, I feel good for. I ask a lot of people did for help me promote back, so I lose my page and they never pay me no blood clot, man. I say true, I no love beg. When me beg, me expect for hear yes. I say if me not hear yes, hear me no Queenie, you fucker, you shouldn't ask. So it's because I say them never pay me no mind. Me just say whatever. So my something build up back is not a year yet, you know. It's 11 months now. I'm reach 111. To God be the glory. Numbers do count. That's why they make 1, 2, 3 to 10. That's why they make 1 to 100. So we all appreciate numbers. If Nicki Minaj was on her live and she have 50,000 people I watch her since that, and I look on her numbers and I say, whoa. I lick 14,000 a day when I get fucking mad per my page. I swear I lick 20,000 one of the day. But the case, the speech is, we all look at numbers. And numbers is very important in life, innit? If you work, and numbers they get paid for. Anything you do, numbers don't it? So, I appreciate my followers them. Hey man, so you give me your money and you not come back to me, I not him that. One man give me money, I wonder if I set me up. I don't like them something, I'm telling the two something I don't like. You see, if you pay me for do ads, and you aren't, and I know me for do the ads, it make me get nervous if I do it. Because true, me get your money. You see, true, me go in the back with the money, and I know a business. So sometimes when I do the ads, I don't want to do a selfie. I go and say to Escada, say, Escada, you can't do ads for me even I'm not in the mood, ma'am. I say, what do you mean by you're not in the mood? I work like a boy and say, oh, I can't do no video now. I say, I can't do no video now. I say, Escada, you saw me, did I go tell you me now, but I tell you. I'm going to give him a break. I'm going to go back around 20 minutes after again. I'm going to ask little boy again and then put my back on pause. So point is, when I don't give me no money for do ads, me myself no want to put it on hold. But if me beg Escada do the video for me and him not do it for me, my vibes cut, so no ads not going to do till the next day. So that is two things I don't like. I don't like when I want to pay me no money and then ace me. I have to in my right mood. Because if my sons piss me off, even do it. When they do it, I do a video for me. I see him face smiling nice. And they give me, because remember you look on the person who have video you. I see the nice look him have on him face, it make the video nice. I remember my freestyle. Remember my freestyle in it. So it make my video nice. So when they me and him there at Jamaica now, I beg him do a video. And I see him face have plea tonight. I just say, I'm not ready to do the video yet. I don't even make him know that the plea when I feel I'm farried. So you have to work things out. So my point is, so when you don't give me no money, I don't want to no ace me. You understand me? Because I work with my spirit and my energy. And some people, like the man will pay me money now. The man pay me, I'm not hear back from them, I feel weird. You understand? Because I like work for my own and I like hand out to the camera rank, you know. I get back all the blood clot pay and dash it away, you know. Much as one of my own, and I like handout. You know, some people when you have them vex them still I grab and I crepe. Not me. Excuse me, you vex, I used to grab something, I spite you, I say, move your dirty blood clot, me I be awful. But me no want nothing when me vex, me no want nothing that. All the food where you just give it for eat. All that if me can't carry it back. It's true. So when you give me no money, when you just come represent for represent, because I don't want nobody feel like so them can't trip me with them little 3 bills. You hear that? I appreciate the 3 bills and I'm not knock it, but it just feel weird. I hope not do the man. Yeah, give him 3 bills and the rate with that ESP. I say, so the money that ESP, so I'll be sending the bank details and they've said with the money I've had that without hearing from him. That's weird, isn't it? When we look at DJ style, look that. When me look, me see the pleating, I'm fired. Me just tell him, say, me not ready for do the video. Me not make him be the wiser, because is it true me and him a live nice? Hey, is it true me and him a live nice? You understand? And as me say, we are going to step out with track. So the technology of the relationship, we are assertive and alert. So instead of one time now, I say, oh, is we need to be an eyebrow for his arm? I'm doing something I did it, but I did argue, but I remember something. Hey, let me telling about me, Queenie now. Not for the bumble will I go like couldn't know me. No know nothing about me. Not for me, my sister, I'm nice and calm. You hear that? Man, I go telling her something, I remember. I chat too much, man. But it will come back. But it's true. I'm nice. You see my husband? You see my husband what they do it? Him face as much as me is. But you know what? Him have this little thing about him. Just, you know when the army tell you to stand up for 24 hours, if mosquito bite you, you know for move? And that will do it, that inner do it. You see that will inner do it? It's when him play stucky. All when it mucky, you can't be lucky. Bobo Clan, that sound good. I will just say, when him play stucky, all when it mucky, you can't be lucky. Queenie, I eat that still enough. Yeah, but me only make a good team. The natural love we do have, we're playful, and that is priceless. Well, a lot of people don't have. You see, if you're playful here, and you go down the road and the car tire broke, boss, you can do there and just play it out and don't even remember the fucking tire. But, puncture, things like that. Simple example. So, do we just come in here so now I see me and just start drama me. I better do leg off of me when I dead with laugh. So through my laugh I can't fight him back and ramping. But when we are ramping, we get laugh him win. But if me serious, may I win too. Who wants some of this? When I go on now, man, I'm going to hug up my husband. 1 hour and I done it. But I'm still there, man. Yes. Tall up. May I go for Grammy girl. Cause tall up, me not lie. Them undermine you, underrate you enough. That is my opinion. I think you should reach a far way if you get more acknowledgement. What's that go? Even me if you get more acknowledgement. But through me acknowledge myself from a long time and I look at them because it's me first so I'm going to be famous. So I'm a little bit, for that. You tall up, big up yourself. Boy, do I something? Me, when me want, 2 something with I love. And it can come under one umbrella. If I have a program for myself, I can sit down and relate my little story, my little country story, my little experience. When I live in a country, I never have no food, and I see people them, you know, them clothes, and I stand up and stare upon them and I say, when we get big more and be famous, I'm going to wear beard, nice fingernail and long hair. Long time I had girl in my mind, you know. Miss that girl, never a flat blood clot girl, I'm in their country. And I eat that, my heart in my mind. So you say, no one can chat to me. Tall up, talented, bad, it's truth. Them underrate her, but it's alright. You know, say when me a 51 me bus, I'm still a bus. Can't stop bus. Once the bus and scary, never look back, girl. You hear that? Look for Spice. A long time Spice are coming there. It's a journey, you know. But find a video with Spice where they we see some girl a cuss word there about Spice. I mean, some call the media to write on a Portmore. There's some Spice drive come look for me. When me a Spice I keep me, she come in England and me I keep the after party for her. I find the video, I go and dash it in on a dirty bumble wall face. Well, she look friend from Spice. Me not look no blood clot friend from Spice. You hear that? I me no want a friend from Spice. My red Spice. My always my forever blood clot red Spice. Spice now if it's a Queenie I even remember me. Me rate her because she represent and turn up strong as a strong black girl. That my rate her for she turn up for Jamaica. My business if she want remember me. I call my name when I go. It's not who you know, it's who know you. And it's not who you love, it's who love you. You remember that. No fun will love me. I know no from nowhere. You understand me? You love me for me. I don't know no. So I say go with Spice. I love her for her being who. Not for her to acknowledge me. I say, oh Queenie, I love you. And no, it doesn't matter. Everybody have them own a taste. You understand me? So you know, when I not type and chat shit, I say, could them idiot here? Who know better do better. And sometimes I just deal and I just go to the body truth and say, ha ha. You understand me? Yeah. But I dash up the video with me and Spice and she come right 2016. Right at Portmore in her pretty range. Come look for me. Fuck gonna feel like memories not live like she could have never looked back to me. She could have never said about Queenie because that memories live fucking hand. She could have never meet me again and she come to England and may have that memories and I will forever cherish that. Spice a hot girl and no go. I don't mix up too much. I want to set up people with people. No one can set me up and I'm done telling us I'm all purpose. I'm a blood clot back and belly rat can. No one can make no deal with me and say, Queenie, do it. No. I have to make my own choice, okay? The choices you make in life is your own journey and burden. So whatever decision you make, whether it's good or bad, you have to cope with it. So I make I look good in a bumper cloth. I don't want to see my hairstyle. No, I don't see my ear play. No, do your wife nice. No, not like. All of the girls still want to get my husband and I could have sit down and wait till we're ass clot. Now I come back with the ark. Sit down and wait for Noah to come back with the ark. I wish you luck fucking luck. Because I know God now play back now on the ark again. You see that they can't play back. Anything else God I go do is different. It's not the ark and a whole heap of cow and sheep I go upon. So sit down and wait till Noah and the ark come. Yeah? And all of the money when I chat me on a go and I'm not getting me either. And a little bomber clads, cheesy cocky man, someone a cock balls, cheesy and sweaty, and I love class woman and discriminate woman. I would think like man. You know someone man who have an alley and I need to know honest and I said, Jesus Christ, it smell like Grinch. Even though I never smell Grinch, it just smell Grinchy. And I love discriminate woman and class woman. You see, I say, I can't wait to get to a program and this is the name Classman Program. Because if they run a set of man, you know, you hear them talk about woman, you know. Even though we women are our biggest enemy towards one another. But you there run some man and you hear them class. Yeah man, she suck my bridge in cocky man. I want like a suck out girl. And he's like, really? First to begin, we have a dick. So you like when girls suck your dick, but you stand up and impress yourself, friend them, and I discriminate the girl with your ledger. Which you like that. That don't make sense because our brains brainwashed from back in the days. Man suck your pussy, it's discriminated, but we are pussy. We are say, yeah, oh look a suck pussy boy, but when a man suck your pussy, it's sweet you in it. Then you have the woman them now where them sit down and class them, the woman them back. It don't make no sense. If you don't check the logic out, it's illiteracy and darkness amongst each other. So I would just say at them, but I can't read. Lawi, now who name sir? Lawi, now who name sir? You know me now, the live at end. Watch out. 23 seconds. The live is going dead. Okay? Thanks for tuning in. Say yes, God bless. It was a nice having you. The mosquito them a bite me. I smoke my weed and go hug up my husband. Cause it class it. I soon come back. I go come back. I go get a cup of tea and popcorn and come back. I hug up